Hey Jeff, got you 39 VHP on the bench here. The problem with the static in the mic, this one has like the split pins in the mic connector. So what happens is they get closed and it allows the mic connector to move around. So if that happens again, just take like a small flat blade screwdriver or something with a sharp edge, even a pocket knife will work, and just spread those pins apart just a little bit. Don't get crazy with spreading them apart, because then you won't get the mic connector on there, but just spread them apart just a tiny bit, and then it'll make good connection. The next thing, let's see, you said when you flip the switch from radio to PA, the needle went all the way over. I'm not seeing that. That's PA. That's radio. PA. Radio. Okay. Alright. And the last thing is, you said when you turn RF power all the way up, which is where I've got it now, and key the mic, when you unkey, you don't get receive back. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test, test, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Receive comes right back. Test 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Don't have a problem with that. You may have a problem with your antenna system. That's kind of what it sounds like to me. Now, the scratching in the microphone, of course, was the mic connector. There's nothing wrong with the back of the mic connector. It's fine. You know, I pulled it apart and looked at it and made sure all the wires were soldered. It's mounted in there good and tight. The only thing I could find was the pins, and this one did the same thing. It's my little Euro microphone. When I moved it around, I'd get static. Okay, but after I push those pins apart, just a tiny bit now, like I said, don't get crazy with it. Just push it apart a little bit. I'll show you here. See that split in there? Just take something like a little flat blade screwdriver like this one. And just reach in there and pry them apart. Of course, make sure the radio's turned off when you do that. But that was the only thing I can find wrong. The needle doesn't jump over all the way over when I switch between PA and CB. See there? That's PA there. And I'm back on CB. When I key up, I get receive back right away. So that points to your antenna system. It may be too close to the microphone, the antenna. And if you're running an amplifier, it's a good possibility that it's the amplifier relay that's hanging up, not your radio. That being the case, the contacts, you know, if you are running an amplifier, then the contacts on the amplifier probably need to be, on the relay, need to be cleaned up. Okay? But the radio's working perfectly. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's got good reports on it already, and, you know, it works great. All right, well, I'm going to publish this video for you and box it up and get it shipped back. 7-3.